Hi Fall, how are ya? Hey, what's up and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm super excited to tell you that I've partnered with FabFitFun, one of the coolest brands around, let's be honest, to give you a sneak peek early preview of their fall 2020 box. Oh my God, are you ready for this? I don't know if I am. Ooh, I got it right here. This giant box of goodness is about to be unboxed. We're gonna just tear this open, go through all the amazing products inside. Oh, this is actually comfy. We got a desk, people. I feel like I should back up and just explain what FabFitFun is real quick. For the quick rundown, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. This is the fall one, but they do one every single season. And in this glorious box, you get a bunch of full size, you heard me right, fashion, wellness, beauty, lifestyle, fitness products, like anything you can imagine. It's just all in here. It's literally just a box of happiness, which is why I'm so excited to partner with them, because I'm all about spreading the joy, the positivity, and that's what they're about too. It's a good mix, I thought. The box is super customizable. You get to pick a bunch of the products that you do get in the box, and the rest are curated specially for you. Oh, it is heavy because it's packed with so much goodness, but this box is incredible value also. The mix of products that you get in here are valued at over $200, but you only have to pay $49.99. Scratch that. I got a discount code that's gonna save you even more cash. Yes, we love saving money. All you gotta do is use code Stephie at checkout and you save an additional 10 bucks. So hold up, that's over $200 of value for only $39.99. Someone explain that to me. The math just doesn't add up. Insane value with that additional discount code just for you guys. Like, I don't know how this is a deal you couldn't pass up. Doesn't seem like a logical decision to me. Okay, I think I've teased you guys waiting long enough, so let's open this up and unbox the goodness. Here we go. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's like stuffed to the brim with products. I think I'm gonna put this on the floor so it's not just in frame the whole time. Okay, so first off, we have a bunch of little papers. Let's just look at that real quick. We've got this $10 credit to HelloFresh. No, it's 10 free meals with purchase. Okay, I misspoke. This right here, oh my God, this is actually super cute. This is a little scratch off to see how much money you save on this wine company. Let's do it now. Scratching it off. And the first one is $0, yay. Next. Hold up, $45? Okay, whoa. And the third one, $0. Okay, but that's $45 credit to this wine company. That's awesome. Like, whoa, extras, we're here for it. And then this right here is a little like magazine guidebook for all the items in the box. It gives you like descriptions, prices, tips on how to use them and style them. I'm just flipping through this. It's actually super cute. They got recipes, horoscopes, word search. Like, this is cute. I like this. We're not even opening any products and I'm already like feeling the happiness. Okay, here we've got the first product. I'm like losing it. How cute. This is like a real full-size bag. They ain't playing. Consulting the little guidebook. This is the Botkier New York Bond Tote. Yeah, she is. It's fully nylon, so it's really durable. You can take this anywhere, not have to worry about spills or anything. On both sides, they've got this cute little zipper detail. It's not a pocket, it's just a zipper. That'd be unsafe if the whole side just like unzipped, but the whole top does. Full zip all the way across, which is so nice. I hate tote bags that are just open. Tell me that's not a super spacious bag. Hello. On one side, we've got two little open pockets for like easy access, your phone, your keys, your whatever. And on the other side, a little zip. I'd probably throw like a lip balm in here so that it doesn't just fall right out. But like this bag is giant. Like definitely can throw my laptop in there. I feel like this would be the perfect bag for when you travel, like on the plane. Not that we're doing any of that these days. Super chic. I'm so down for this bag. Let's do a little wear. Stop. That is super cute. And then, okay, I saved this detail about the bag for last because it's gonna blow your mind. The retail value of this bag right here is $128. You heard me right, $128, and you are getting this as just one of the items in your $39.99 box. Doing some quick calculations, this bag is worth over 3 times the amount of money that you're spending on the entire box. And this is just one item. Absorb that, everybody. Just unreal. Okay. Before we move on to the next product, I just want to mention, not everybody has to get this bag. Like there's a whole list of products that you get to choose from to personally customize your box. Like you can get a tote, but you can also get a backpack. You can also get a curling wand. You can get makeup. Like there's tons and tons of stuff to choose from, but this is just like, I love this. Okay, we're talking about this next. I'm excited. Popping this open, let's pull it out. We've got ourselves a super cute glass water bottle. Let's move that out of the way. A glass water bottle. This is a Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in the color turquoise. Hello, pop of color. Whenever I think about a glass water bottle, I get super nervous that it's just so fragile and it's gonna break right away. But I love how this comes with the neoprene sleeve. Not only is it insulating, but it's also super protective. It's really tight on there. It's not going anywhere. What if I can, somehow slide this down just to show you? I don't know if I can. There we go. Here's what the bottle looks like underneath. This is a mason jar glass. We've got like the cute logo right there and the measuring thing there. Just sliding this back in, but this is actually a really big bottle. It holds 20 ounces. We've got this little pop top lid, nice big opening there, and it's spill proof, so you can throw this in your bag. You don't have to worry about it. And another thing that I really love about this, both the bottle and the lid are dishwasher safe, so you don't have to like stress about that. You just throw it in the dishwasher and boom, easy clean. Eco-friendly, super cute and convenient. $35 value in this box that is a total of $39.99. Like, okay, yes, I approve. Okay, next up, after you nourish and hydrate your body with all that water, let's hydrate the face with a face mask. Did that make sense? Number 1, packaging, super cute. This is the Vitamasks multivitamin mask set. You get 5 sheet masks, a value of $40. Again, more than you're paying for the whole box. These are moisturizing Korean face sheet masks. It says they'll give you a radiant complexion, and like, sure, why not? Packed with vitamins. It's called a multivitamin mask set for a reason. We've got vitamins B3, B5, B6, C, and E, all of those to help nourish your skin. As the summer ends and the weather starts getting colder, I'm going to love treating myself with these super moisturizing sheet masks. Like, I just can't wait. And you get 5 of them. Thank you. I love how this box really exposes you to a whole bunch of new brands that you might not have heard of before. My sister actually gifted me their winter box a few years back, and I found a whole bunch of amazing brands and products from that box that I continue to use. So there's like a really cool like discovery aspect to this box too. It's a fun time. Next product, we've worked on the face. Now let's move on to the body. Got a shower gel. And you know the first thing I did was smell it. Oh my god. Heavenly. This is the Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Shower Gel. Retail value of $30. You're getting some luxe full-size products. Yes. Nice size bottle. You get 10.14 US fluid ounces. And some of those superfood ingredients that make it smell amazing are pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. So nice and like hydrating, moisturizing, and just like yummy, but don't eat it, please. Every box they do actually has a theme, and the theme of this fall 2020 box is Gather the Good. You know, like fall is harvest time, so FabFitFun said with the box, like, we're gonna gather the joy and the happiness and just like the goodness of fall and happy scents and all that. So super cute theme, super amazing products. Moving on. Next product, they just keep coming. This is the, I don't know how to say the brand name, Hythe, maybe? Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. Honestly, when I first took this out of the box, I'm like, what's a sleep mist? So I did some research and I found out what it is for you. And by research, I mean I read the back of the bottle. Basically, this little magical bottle of goodness is a spray that you spray on your pillows and sheets. Creates this tranquil, calming sleep environment for you. And you can also spray it on your face and your body. It's like skin safe. The 2 main ingredients that are gonna just work their powers are lavender oil for some calmingness. Calmingness is not a word. And witch hazel, that's for your skin to just protect it, make it softer, all that good stuff. Give it a smell. Oh my god. I could like fall asleep right now, but I won't. Got more products to go through. Super excited to try out this product. I'm gonna leave this by my bed so that I can test it out tonight. And price check, $22. Unreal. So much value, my people. Okay, next, this one's cool. This is the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil in Horchata. Can't wait to smell that. But this is actually like a really exciting product that I got in my box because I don't ever use a cuticle oil. I always do my nails at home. Check that fall manny. But I never like ventured into more of the like products for nails. I kind of just stick to my like base color and top. So I'm super excited. This is gonna like step up my little nail routine, make me feel luxurious and expensive doing my little home manicures. It says it's vitamin E infused. So that means it's just gonna like soften and strengthen. Sounds good to me. Let's give it a little whiff. Oh my god, that smells edible. Oh, that's dangerous. I'm smelling vanilla. Smell like cinnamon, just a fall dream. But that actually reminds me of something super important. FabFitFun actually has a charity partner with each box that they do, and the charity partner that they have now is No Kid Hungry. This is a charity that I actually have heard of before. It's amazing what they do. Basically, because of the COVID-19 pandemic and the lockdown, millions of kids are missing out on their 3 healthy meals a day because they aren't in school anymore. Enter No Kid Hungry. They are making sure that these millions of kids are getting their healthy meals every single day during this pandemic and beyond. Amazing cause, amazing charity, and it's awesome that FabFitFun isn't just like fun, happy products that make you happy, but you're also like doing more good for the world with your purchase. So let's hear it for that. Not sure how we got from a cuticle oil to a charity, but you know, this is just how things go around here. But yeah, cuticle oil, super glam little jar that you get for 18 bucks normally, but you get it for free included in this box. That was cool that I caught it. It would have been bad if I didn't. Next one, this one's really cool because I actually know this product and I love it. I got like a tiny sample of it somewhere a few years ago, obviously ran out of it super quick because it was a tiny one. Full size is where it's at. This product, and I'm not exaggerating, is magic in a bottle. This is the Laundress New York Crease Release, and basically it is a spray that you spray in your clothes and it just removes wrinkles like in a flash before your eyes without having to steam it, wash it, dry it, iron it, whatever. Just spray this. Game changing. This is one of those travel must-have products because you get there, you take your clothes out of the bag and everything is all kind of creasy and gross, and then you don't look that great for your whole trip. Bring a bottle of this guy and problem solved. Again, when we can travel. Otherwise, it's good just to have in your house when you don't want to go and steam. Me, every day. It's got such a clean scent also. Like, it smells like clean laundry. So not only is this gonna remove your wrinkles, it's also gonna give your clothes that little like boost of freshness. This is like the clothes fixer essential product. And love how this is from a female-founded company. FabFitFun is super into female empowerment, so you're gonna find a lot of products from female-founded companies, which is just awesome. Let's hear it for the girls. Price check, 16 bucks for this guy. One last smell. We've only got one product left in this giant box of cuteness, but I actually just wanted to show the box real quick because it's super, like, it needs a moment. I love the attention to detail. They put so much effort into the actual box design. They want to make sure that when this arrives at your front door, you are super happy without even having to open it up. I have a video doorbell, so I got an alert when the guy delivered this box. I checked on my phone. I freaked out. I ran so fast to the door that I had to wait until I heard the truck pull away because I didn't want to look like too eager in front of the guy, like running out to get my package. I had to play it cool, man, you know. Also for this season, they just switched the box over to 100% recycled materials. So they're working towards a lighter carbon footprint, protect the earth, all that good stuff. We love it. On to our final product. Get that box out of here. Here we go. This right here is a skincare product, and I'm super excited to try this one out. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. My skin feels better just listening to that. Let's pop this right open, but a little skincare confession. I've never used a serum. I don't know what a serum is, what it does, but now I'm gonna try it out, see what the hype's all about. This is such a classy bottle. Oh geez, dang. You hear that? That's rich. Let's open it right up. We've got that chic dropper applicator. Nice clean smell, nothing offensive at all. Just reading up on the benefits of this serum, it's supposed to dissolve buildup and flush away impurities. And the reason that this bottle feels and looks so luxe is because it is a $65 serum that you are getting in your box. That again, how much are we paying for it? $39.99 with code Stephie. Ridiculous value. I can just say that all day. Ridiculous value. Super excited to try this out. So that was officially the final product in the box. We did our entire unboxing together. That was super fun. The fall 2020 box will be available very soon for you to customize and shop for yourself. I'll have the dates listed right here and down in the description box. Yep. The box is available to ship to the US, Canada, and the UK. International hello. And one final reminder to use code Stephie to save money on your box. You can get this box with a retail value of well over $200, not for their usual price of $49.99, but $10 off of that, $39.99 with use of my code Stephie. Super excited. I'm gonna have a ton more information listed about the box in my description box, so definitely scroll down, read through that, giving you that info. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I had a super fun time doing this unboxing with you guys. I hope it inspired you to go and order yourself a FabFitFun box, or order one for a friend, or if you're a guy, you order it for your girlfriend, your wife. Honestly, this is like such an amazing gift. Like I said, my sister got one for me a couple years ago, and greatest gift ever? Maybe? Very possibly. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I had a super fun time bringing the fall vibes a little early this year. Of course, if you had fun, definitely leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Just click all the buttons down below. Any button you see, click it. Okay, cool. And my end card's about to pop up with a couple of videos that you should totally click also, because they're videos that you'd really like. So click the buttons, have a great day, and as always, this was ByStephieNics.